All right, we are continuing in the Children's Bible in 365 stories. This is section 8 or chapter 8, based on Genesis 7. We're continuing to read about Genesis, and this story is Rain, Rain, Rain. For a long time, Noah went on building his boat and trying to persuade people to change their ways and tell God they were sorry for the bad things that they had done. Then one day, the hammering stopped. Noah's ark was finished. But there was still plenty of work to be done. Food must be gathered and made ready for all the passengers, human and animal. Then the animals had to be collected. Noah's family worked as hard as he did. At last, the preparations were done. It is time to go into the ark. God said, "Go in, Noah, with your family and all the animals. The rain will begin in a week's time." In that week, Noah got everything and everyone stowed on board. At the end of the week, the rain began to fall, as God said it would. When Noah and his family and all the animals were safe, they were safely on board, God shut the door of the ark. The rain fell night and day without stopping. Soon, the torrential downpour began to swell the streams and rivers. Water lapped the bottom of the huge ark as the water rose. As the water rose, the wooden boat creaked and groaned and shifted. Then gently, the water began to lift the ark. They were afloat. The huge craft began to drift. The huge craft began to drift slowly, buffeted by rain and floods. But Noah had done his work well. The ark was safe and watertight. Gradually, as the floodwaters rose higher, all the well-known landmarks disappeared. Soon, even the tops of the highest hills were covered by the water. There was nothing to see but water all around. People and animals had all disappeared beneath the flood. For 6 weeks, the rain fell. But God had not forgotten Noah and his family. At last, as he had promised, the rain stopped.